We're going to be twin turboing the Gbody. Wow.
Full send.
400 horsepower is a little slow for me anyway, so. Well, look what we have here. Motion Raceworks sent us 2 huge boxes. I can't wait to open them up and show you what's in there, but first, I gotta show you guys something. You missed a lot yesterday.
Did I?
You missed a lot.
I brought gifts.
Yeah, what'd you bring? Don't look at those boxes. You didn't bring those.
I feel one up pretty bad by Motion Raceworks right now. But I got bolts.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Well, come take a look at this. Before we get started with today's episode on the cold side, what I have to show you guys is the final hot side. We came back, we did the down pipes, we did the dump pipes, and mounted the wastegates, and I just, whoa. What do you think?
Yeah, it's loud. It's pretty cool.
What do you think?
Good thing you put those mufflers on it.
Turbo mufflers.
Yeah, turbo mufflers.
Well, here you guys have it. Here's the finalized hot side. We have a bunch of super cool stuff from Motion Raceworks that I'm gonna go show you right now to help us complete the cold side. And our goal today is to get a first start. I think we can make that happen. Huge thank you to Motion Raceworks for your continued support on Mimi. And what I appreciate more than anything is the fact that they actually sat down with the list that I created to be like, yes, we recommend this. You know, maybe we could sway your decision into doing this over that. So I really appreciate the time invested. This looks like the ice box. Whoa. Ooh, a piece of candy. We also got some aluminum piping for the intercooler side, a bunch of couplers that obviously we're going to need, some dash 10 hose. Here's the water pump. So originally I was gonna run an oil cooler for the feed line, and this is one thing the guys recommended for a drag car. You really don't need an oil cooler, so they sent me these cool fittings for oil feed and then also return. Some AN fittings. And we also got a lot of pipe for intake and exhaust. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys we're gonna mount the reservoir, and we got a lot to do today. Thank you to the guys over at Motion Raceworks. They have some quality parts. You guys go ahead and check out their website. Sandy and I did a 15-hour day yesterday doing the hot side of the turbo and kind of mapping everything out. So I'm gonna go run to 7-Eleven, grab some Red Bull, some Mountain Dew, get some Cheetos, and then we're gonna get started.
Hello.
Thank you.
I'm going to do my best try to mock up a cold side. Motion Raceworks sent us some aluminum 90s, but it sits just a little too high, so we're gonna run silicone for now. So I'm gonna start working on that while Sandy works on trying to figure out how to take out the balancer in order to do the oil return line. We ran into a little bit of a roadblock there, huh? We have no way to get the balancer off. On this side, we'll go down here. I'm gonna cut out a little bit here. We'll have it go through, and in here, down the line, I can always make a pie cut to replace this. On this side, we're gonna have to stick it through here, go down into the headlight bezel, and then into here. Obviously, I'm gonna wrap the exhaust at some point, just because it is gonna be so close. And as for into throttle body, I'm thinking just like that, and like that, but we'll try to get it level. Oh, but look at those turbos! Look at them turbos. Don't try that at home, kids.
Should we add like a little water boost to it, you know?
3 turbos. Haven't finished the intake piping. We did finish the charge pipes. Looks absolutely incredible. Also the feed lines, we did the return lines. The bungs are welded into the timing cover there for the return. This is gonna be insane. I don't think we're ready for this. We're getting pretty close here.
I don't think this bottom end's gonna last very long.
It's not long for this world.
I wanna see what it looks like with a hood on it.
Oh, we're gonna have to cut pretty big for that.
Cool.
I don't even know if the intake manifold will clear with the hood on.
Nope. Definitely not. We already
That's why
went
the
through
hood was off to begin with.
that. Yeah.
Day 2, we really want to get a first start on this. We are committed. What we have left to do is run a few lines, mount the ice box, run the water pump, and then finish the intake piping. I'm gonna go ahead and cut here on the core support so we can run the intake piping over into the intercooler. Let's get started. I'm excited to hear this puppy purr. Wait, dogs don't purr. I really need sleep. This blow-off valve is massive. This thing is huge. It's literally called Godzilla. Water reservoir will sit right here. Passenger seat will go there.
Comfy?
There's water pump. We're just finishing running the last couple lines and we should be good for a first start. Sick pink glasses, bro.
Let's see if we can swoop this thing in there.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Huh? These lines are a temporary solution. I think we're ready. I think we're ready. Because we're not on a key right now,
Oh.
Sandy's got a few wires.
You know what?
What?
Gotta run the fuel pump wire back.
All right. Do you want earplugs?
I mean, is it gonna be that loud?
Yeah, probably. On that note, are you guys ready?
Oh dear Lord. What did we do? That's not that loud. That's not that bad at all.
What? I smell corn. Like corn? Yeah, it smells like corn. That's pretty fucking loud.
Looks like burn off on the headers from a hand touching up.
What? Wait, why'd you turn it off?
I just realized what it was.
Is that the hose melting on it underneath?
No.
Oh.
Where's the dipstick?
Oh shit. This thing sounds f***ing good.
That sounds, the turbos like shake a lot too, which I like. I think that looks cool.
Yeah,
Motor shakes a lot.
Yeah,
we
it's true.
still plan on building a bracket so that they're just a little more stable, so it's not just resting on the exhaust pipe, but we will get that taken care
You're
of.
gonna ruin the very shaky, like, you know, it's like the shaker hood except with turbos.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, right?
My hand off.
You burned the arm hairs off my arm.
Actually though.
Yeah, I smelled burnt hair.
Dude, I'm so happy with this. I can't wait to dyno this.
What do you think's gonna go first, the trans or the bottom end?
I think the bottom end goes before the trans. Depends on the tire, yeah.
Okay. Witness. I tightened it, so if the bolt comes out, it's not my fault.
All right, you guys, so we did a first start on the Gbody. Thank you so much for watching. A little bit of an update on merch. I may have to push the drop date out a week because I'm being kind of a perfectionist. I want to make sure it's perfect for you at home, so bear with me. I'll keep you updated on the date. But I'm so excited that we did a first start. Thank you, Turbonetics. Thank you, Motion Raceworks. I mean, I'll link both of their information in the description below. She sounds so good. Like before, you really couldn't hear the cam that well. Now you hear the cam. We obviously have a few more things we need to do before we actually bring her to the drag strip. One of them being things actually need to open up again before we can bring her to this drag strip. But we have a sick drive shaft I'm excited to show you. We're doing crazy dash. We're gonna be notching the frame, running some fat meaty tires, and we got a lot of good stuff planned for her, so I'm excited to show you. I also have an update on the C8 coming soon, and I'm excited for my birthday, although I'm probably not gonna celebrate because of all the stuff that's going on in the world right now. So shout out to everyone who's had a COVID birthday this year. I guess this is where we sign out, and I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye!